everyone, it's Sarah with RegisteredNurseRN.com, and in this video I'm going to answer the common question, do nurses clean poop? The answer to this is yes, we do. You know, it's not the most glamorous part of our job, but it is a patient care necessity. You know, it's the same as having to suction a patient, get all that sputum out of there, or having to draw blood or start an IV. So yes, cleaning poop is definitely a part of a nurse's job. So as a nurse, how often do you clean up stool? Well, this depends. It depends on what specialty you're working in. For instance, if you're a nurse manager, you really take care of the business side of nursing, and coming into contact with stool is not as prevalent compared to a nurse who works on a floor who has a load of patients. And even for that nurse, it will vary depending on the health status of your patients during each shift. For example, if you work on a hospital floor and have a patient with an ileostomy, which puts out stool quite frequently, you'll have to assist the patient with ostomy bag changes and cleaning the stoma. Or if you're prepping a patient for an inpatient colonoscopy, your patient will be given a solution to help cleanse the colon, so you'll be dealing with stool in that situation. In addition, if you're caring for a patient with a GI infection, such as C. diff, the patient will likely have incontinence issues and diarrhea. But as a nursing student, if you've been in clinicals yet, you probably already have a little bit of an idea of how much you're going to be coming into contact with stool. Another thing to remember is cleaning up stool is a team effort. It's not just one person's job. And a lot of people like to say, oh, that's the nursing assistant's job, but it's not. You do it as a team, because a lot of times you have a patient who cannot get out of bed and they've had a massive bowel movement, so you have to turn the patient, you'll need help changing the linens. A lot of times you have to give them a bed bath to get them cleaned. And you want to quickly clean that patient, get them out of that stool, because that poses a risk to them. It breaks down skin integrity, which can cause pressure injuries, and it can even cause a urinary tract infection. So it's a team effort. So almost every nurse has that thing that they struggle with. For me at the beginning, it was vomit. Like, I didn't want to see vomit or smell vomit, but I had to get over it, and I did over time. And for some nurses, it's the sight of stool or the smell really of it. And I have a video that you can watch where I give you some tips on how to deal with those smells, like using special rubs underneath your nose, things like that. But over time, you will learn how to cope with this if this is something that bugs you as a nurse. And finally, I just want to bust the myth that nursing isn't all about cleaning up stool. I know there's some misconceptions out there. For instance, I had a friend who was going to nursing school and she told someone about it, and they're like, oh, you're going to become a professional butt wiper. And really, cleaning up stool is just such a small sliver of what we do on a daily basis, but it's a necessity. Yes, it's not a glamorous necessity by any means, but it's so important. And we work side by side with other healthcare professionals. We perform a wide variety of nursing skills that help people, but we do have to clean up stool because we want to provide good patient care and take care of our patients. Okay, so that's the scoop on poop in nursing. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.